What's going on YouTube? Chris back with another video. Today we are checking out a case for the Nothing Phone 1. Yes, I have a Nothing Phone 1. I have not actually done an unboxing, but when I do, it'll be up here. You can see that video out. But nevertheless, this device needs a case because of this glossy back finish and this very unique design. And to be honest, I think any case outside of something like a skin or something very thin won't do this device justice. But that's why we are here today. What we have is a case by Thinborne. They are a new case company located in the US, Texas specifically, and their cases are carbon fiber, or other known as Aramid Fiber. This is the box that it comes in, very plain with a carbon fiber texture. I'll leave the link where you can pick this up down below, along with a coupon code for a discount. This case for the Nothing Phone goes for $45. They also do have cases for the Samsung 23 series as well, so go ahead and check those out. I'll take a look at the case and the quality here. So identify the essential. That's funny. Essential, nothing kind of is similar. They can kind of be synonymous to some degree. A register for a warranty. You get a 6-month warranty. Some contact information in terms of how to reach out to them for support. I also do have some social channels online as well. And here is that case, the Aramid Fiber. We'll set that aside and take a look at it in a second. And what? Are you kidding me? You also get a tempered glass screen protector. Okay, that is very nifty. I was not expecting that. So this looks to be a full tempered glass screen protector. It has a black frame around the edge. I do plan to pick up one from Amazon, a Mr. Shields, just because it's fully transparent, but this is the first time me seeing this, and you know, I might try installing it. So here's that screen protector. It is included for free, but it actually doesn't fit the phone whatsoever. The dimensions are completely off. The radius for the glass is also off. So right now this is completely up against the edge, and then there is a gap right there. Plus there's that black frame around it. So yes, it's included for free, but don't even use this one. Right now, I did pick this device up used. The guy that sold it to me already had a matte screen protector on the front. I don't really like that, but nevertheless, here is the case. And I really enjoy carbon fiber or Aramid fiber cases just for this fact that they are so thin. And you have a lot of cutouts, a lot of port openings for mics and everything else. For the volume buttons on the left, the power button, the glyph lights, your mics, charging port, speaker as well, and little cutouts on the corners to help get this to flex around the phone itself. So we're gonna go ahead and get this in. Start with one of the sides because of the buttons, so that way it'll slide right into the opening. And just like that, there you go. So here we are. Now, the buttons, from what it looks like, aren't quite exactly lined up to the center of the cutout for the power button. The volume buttons here look fairly center, and this case is completely pushed on there. But yeah, it just looks like that power button is a little, just a hair off center, but nevertheless, you can still press the button easily, along with the volume down and up buttons. I kind of almost in a way wish this was either completely cut out. So this feels really good, nevertheless. Literally no bulk. It adds even grip to it, and you don't have to worry about it, your fingers getting the glass in the back all grimy and everything. It's easy to pull on and off just like that. and I'm trying to do this on camera without knocking my camera over. And there you go. So yeah, it slides in and out just fine. There is going to be no front lip protection so do keep that in mind. So if we take a look at that once again, here is the amount of front lip that you do not get. But if you have a tempered glass screen protector, it's going to raise up above this anyways, but you do actually get there is a hair. I take that back. There is a hair of a lip around the bottom and the top. I don't know if you can see this here or not, but there is a hair of a lip on the top and the bottom. So you are going to get at least a tad bit of protection there, but you are able to then see all your glyph lights on the back perfectly fine. All right, guys, so I wanted just to kind of show you something else that I noticed that I didn't do in my earlier video. But down here, you can actually see that the glyph light is not quite centered with the carbon fiber cutout. And then something else, like I've already mentioned, the cutout for the power button isn't quite centered, as you can see here. But I wanted to show you the glyph light around the camera cutout isn't actually covered either. So if we look at this, the carbon fiber actually covers the glyph light right in there, but with how the light actually, it still shines through in this cutout, but you don't see it kind of like how this is. So I reached out to Thinborne. They said these are slightly handmade as well, so there's going to be some slight differences and variations. Things might be a little off here and there. So with this being a US company, if you reside in the US and took part in the Nothing phone beta, or you're outside in another country, you can use the link down in the description. You'll get fast shipping in the US for sure, instead of getting a case from some other unknown company or anything like that. You at least have a reputable brand here, and you do get the camera protection up top as well. The camera lenses sit just a little bit recessed from the actual case. All your mic ports. The charging port is fairly centered as well. And with the case not being bulky, you don't have to worry about a lot of different cables not working and things like that. This feels really good. It feels really solid in the hand. This is going to be my daily driver in terms of case, but also phone. So I'll come back and give you any sort of updates on the case in the future if there needs to be, but nevertheless, if you guys have questions, comments, concerns regarding the Thinborne Aramid Fiber case for the Nothing Phone 1, leave them down below. I'll answer them to the best of my ability.